Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the light cluster on a 2020 Suzuki Swift. The reason we need to do this is to actually get to the two bulbs that are inside. So first off, you're going to open up your boot fully. Now if you notice, there's two 10mm bolts on either cluster. And what we're going to use to take this off is a spanner and just a little socket there. You may want to just do it with a socket. So just start to loosen them with your spanner or your socket, whatever you have. They're not too tight. And then I'm just going to finish it off with this socket here. Making sure you put them somewhere nice and safe. The next thing we're going to do is just come round to the side. You're going to get one hand there behind the cluster, another hand just under, and you're going to pull it back like so, and that is actually what the back of the light looks like. So now looking on the back of the light cluster, you've got these two connections here and one connection down there. That is the connection to the LED portion of the light, and these are your two bulbs. So let's take that one off. This is your indicator bulb. So it's just one of the push fit type bulbs. So you can just take that out and change that as you need to. And then this one here is your reversing light bulb. Again, just a push fit bulb. So it actually says what the bulb type is on the side of the bulb. The other thing to mention is when you change it, try not to get your skin on the bulb, because the acids on our skin can actually damage the bulb. Making sure you use a nice bit of cloth. So we're just going to go ahead and put the cluster back now. If it's the LED portion, that's a lot more invasive work, taking off all of these screws. I'd suggest probably getting a new light cluster there. To put it back on the car, we've got a clip just here. That needs to go onto the side of the car, and there's also a locating lug just down there. So to put the cluster back on, just line everything up, starting with the bottom. Then work to the top and rotate round. Once you're happy it's all lined up, I'm just going to go ahead, push towards the front of the car. Get your two 10mm bolts from earlier. Start to get them in, and of course get your socket. Not doing it up too tight. There we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the rear light cluster and the bulbs on a 2020 Suzuki Swift. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.